Hi, I'm Adam, and this is how to use trains in your school or homeschool setting. In trains, you will be collecting a deck of cards that will allow you then to build your rails across a map on the board that everyone else will play in. Trains is a game for 12 and up, although I definitely think you could play with much younger ages than that. It takes about 45 minutes to play, and it's 2 to 4 players. So in trains, all the players will be starting with the same smaller size deck and slowly adding different cards to their deck. So the really cool part then is then the kids start learning about different probability. How probable is it for you to draw the cards that you need when you actually need them? This also helps the kids really think through planning skills. Are you going to be able to best plan your route through the mountains or wherever you need to build? To be the most efficient player on the game board. Because every time you do something that isn't efficient in the game, or really every time you do anything at all, but especially when you do stuff that isn't efficient, you have to add more waste into your deck, which is going to make the probability that you're going to draw bad cards much higher. And so we find this game really fun to play with the kids and really discuss different probability and different things and how they're going to have to battle over, or maybe they've made mistakes and they bought the wrong things, and how to really kind of recorrect from that. After the game, you and the students can really sit down and discuss the history of train lines or different train lines that are around you guys. Why they were there, why they aren't there possibly anymore. You can also discuss, especially because the waste is going to be a big issue in the game, how much effort and construction waste actually happens when building large infrastructure projects like this, and how do different companies handle that? Because in the game, you can always stop for a little bit and take care of your waste. But you can always just continue to hold on to that waste and let it build up, and it really deteriorates your company. So this is a really good talking point with your kids with respectable companies versus unrespectable companies, and how they can sometimes really hurt themselves in the long run. What is your favorite resource for learning about trains and train infrastructure? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
That one was much